Hello, in this video I will show you how to gain followers on Lemon8. Now it's a very easy process. So what you should do is firstly, make sure that your application is up to date. Then after you have completed the updating process, just simply open the application. Now in order to rapidly gain followers in Lemon8, you have to focus on few things. So the first thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to create high quality content, and it should be a visually appealing content that aligns with current trends. Then also make sure to actively engage with other users by liking, leaving a comment in their comment section, or responding to their messages. Because the more you will engage with other creators' content of the same niche, the more people will also see your particular content down in the comment section. They will be able to see your profile, and then they will be able to go to your page and see your content as well. And if they like your content, which should be appealing to them, they will start following you. You should also use relevant hashtags. Like for example, if you take travel for a niche. So if we go to a post in the travels niche, as you can see right over here, this is a post and it's about traveling. Now, if you go to the very bottom of this post, you will find few hashtags. So this is also one way to find good hashtags that you can take for yourself. So you can use the same hashtags if you're in the same niche. So you have to utilize good hashtags as well. Then the next thing that you should do in order to gain more followers is promote your content on other social media platforms as well, like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. As you can see, most of the posts over here are quite similar to the posts that you can find in Pinterest. So you can gain followers from Pinterest on your Lemon8 account as well if you post your content on different platforms like Pinterest or TikTok or even Instagram. And now lastly, and the key thing that you should keep in mind in order to gain followers is consistently post content on your account, and also make sure to post content at an optimal time to maximize visibility within their community that you have. So the time frames when you should post can be found easily online, which you can see according to your geographic location. And if you want a worldwide viewership, you can also get the time frame for that as well online. Now, when it comes to creating posts, make sure to at least create 4 engaging posts every single day. That way you will be able to get much more eyeballs on your particular content. And there is also one more thing that you should keep in mind. You should always stay up to date with the current trends. So you can follow different creators on your particular category or niche. Then see what exactly they are posting. Or you can follow them on different social media platforms like Twitter or Instagram, and see what type of content they are producing and take inspiration from them and create your own content immediately. That way, you will also have a chance for your content to go trending. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.